there's a new broke AF mode thingamabob, so I'm gonna try to get money. Okay, so let's grab a bag and a flashlight. That's probably good enough. And we're gonna go to the rock monster cave and maybe go to the mines. Oh yeah, let's go to the rock monster cave. Or Armstrong, whatever you want to call it. Let's go. Stay high, as you can see, because you can only go down one. Okay. I just need to get one more loot. Oh, let's go. Look at this. I just got a loot. Let's go. Okay, let's go back and see how much money we made. I only have $22. That's all we got. Let's hope that we can make some good money. More than we had before, but I think we could do better. I might make a part 2 and see you next time. Sorry, it didn't record.